Microsoft Word 2010 is a word processing program designed to create professional quality documents. Let's learn how to open Word. Click the Start button. Click the All Programs menu item. Click Microsoft Office folder. Click the Microsoft Word 2010 menu item. A blank Microsoft Word window opens. Now let's learn how to create a new blank document, save it and print it. Click the File tab button. Select the New tab. Select the blank document item. Click the Create button. A blank document has been created and you can start typing. Click the File tab button. Select the Save As menu item. The Save As window opens. We will now save it with file name sample and Word 97/2003 document format. Select the Save As type. Select the Word 97/2003 document format. Click the Save button. Click the File tab button. Select the Print tab. Click the More button to increase the number of copies or Less button to decrease the number of copies. You can also enter the number of copies that you want to print. Click to select the printer you want to print to. Select the Microsoft XPS document writer. Click the Print button. This way you can create, save and print Word documents. Click the Close button. Now let's learn how to open an existing Word document. Click the File tab button. Select the Open menu item. Select the Word document you want to open. Let's open sample document for example. Select the sample document. Select Open. The sample document has opened. Now let's close it. Click the Close button. Now let's learn how to format text in your document. Formatting text in Word 2010. After you create your document, you might need to change the text formatting. Let's learn how to make your document more presentable. Now we will learn more about the font group in the Home tab. We will now see how to change the font and its size. Select the words which you want to change. Click the Font button. For example, let's select the Calibri font. You can see that the font style has changed to the selected one. Click the Font Size button. Select the font size 18. You will see the change in the font of the selected words. You can make the selected words bold by clicking on the Bold button. Click the Bold button. You can make the selected words italic by clicking on the Italic button. Click the Italic button. You can underline the selected words by clicking on the Underline button. Select Underline. Click the arrow button next to the Underline button to change the style of underline. For example, select the Wave Underline button to use that style and see the change. Now let's learn to apply visual effects to the selected words. Select the words for which you want to apply visual effects. This is the visual effect button. Click on the visual effect button. You can select the visual effect of your choice. There are more effects available in the outline, shadow, reflection and glow options. Let's select the gradient fill brown accent 4 reflection effect for example. The visual effects has been applied. Now let's learn how to highlight text. This is the highlighter button. Select text highlight color by clicking on the arrow. Let's select the yellow color for example. Now select the text you want to highlight. You can see the highlighted portion. Now let's learn how to change the font color. Select the text for which you want to change color. This is the font color button. Click the arrow to select the color of your choice. Let's select the green color for example and see the change. This way you can change the font color. Now let's see how you can grow or shrink font size. Select the text first. This is the grow font button. Click the grow font button to increase the font size. This is the shrink font button. Click the shrink font button to reduce the font size. This is the change case button. Select the text you want to change case for. Select change case. Select the style you want. Let's select uppercase for example. Select the uppercase style. The text has been converted to uppercase. Now let's learn how to add subscript or superscript. Select the line where you want to add subscript. Click the subscript button and add text for example 23. Select the line where you want to add superscript. Click the superscript button and add text, for example logo. Now let's learn how to strike through the text. Select the text you want to strike through. Click the strike through button. See the strike through effect. Now let's see how to undo the formatting. Select text for which you want to remove formatting. Click the clear formatting button. See how the formatting has been removed. Now let's learn how to apply shading. Select the text for shading. This is the shading button. Click the arrow to select the color for shading. Let's select orange color for example and see the effect. Now let's see how to cut or remove selected text. Select the text you want to cut or remove. Click the cut button. The selected text has been removed. Now let's see how to copy selected text. Select the text you want to copy. Click the copy button. Once you copy the text, you can paste it at the location of your choice. Select the location where you want to paste the copied text. Select paste. The copied text has been pasted. Now let's learn about Format Painter. Select the text whose format you want to use. Click the Format Painter button. Select the text to which the format is to be applied. See how the format has been applied to the text. Now let's learn how to add border to selected text. Select the text. This is the border button. Click on the arrow to select border. Select the outside borders menu item as we want to apply border from outside. This way you can add border to the text. Now let's learn how to add a heading style. Add a heading in Word 2010. The best way to add headings in Word is to apply styles. You can use the built-in styles or you can customize them. This is the styles group. Clicking on the More button, you can expand the Quick Styles gallery. Once you have typed your heading, select it. Select Quick Styles. You can see how selected text will look with a particular style by placing your mouse pointer over the style that you want to preview. For example, let's select the title style. Select the title style. You can see the change in your heading. You can customize a heading style. You can change the font and formatting of a heading style. Right-click the heading you want to customize. Select the Modify menu item. The Modify Style window opens. Now you can change the font, size or the color. For example, let's change the color. Click the Font Color button. Select the orange color. Click the OK button. This way you can customize the heading style. Now let's learn how to adjust the spaces between lines or paragraphs. Let's learn how to insert page numbers or header and footer of your choice. Let's see how to insert page numbers. Select the Insert tab. This is the header and footer group. Select page number. You will see a number of options for numbering in different ways. Like this is the top of page options. Like this is the bottom of page options. Select the top of page menu item. Select the plain number 1 item. You can see that the numbering has been done. You can try other options of your choice. To work with the document again, you have to double click anywhere in the document. You can edit the header or footer by double clicking in the header or footer area. This is the header area. This is the footer area. You can also add picture or text you want to the header and footer. Let's add a logo to the header area. Double click the header area. Click the picture button. The Insert Picture window opens. Click Pictures. Double click the Sample Pictures folder. Double click the Click-on logo item. You can see that the logo has been added to the header area. It will also appear on the next pages. Now let's see how to remove header or footer. Double click the header area. Select the header you want to remove. Press Delete key. The number header has been removed. To return to the main document, you can also click the Close Header and Footer button on the Design tab. This way you can create header and footer or insert page numbers. Insert table. Now let's learn how to insert a table. You can insert a table in 3 ways: using the table menu, using the Insert Table command, and draw a table. Select the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table. Drag the mouse to select the number of rows and columns that you want. This is the Insert Table menu item. Let's select 4 by 3 table. The required table has been inserted. Now let's use the Insert Table command option. Select the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table. Select the Insert Table menu item. The Insert Table window opens. Enter the number of columns and rows. Click the OK button. The table has been inserted. Now let's use Draw a Table option. Select the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table. Select the Draw Table menu item. To draw a table, first draw a rectangle to define the outer table boundaries, and then draw the column lines and row lines inside the rectangle. This way you can draw a table. Now let's see how to erase a line in the table. Click the Eraser button under Table Tools on the Design tab in the Draw Borders group. Click on the line to be erased. This way you can erase lines. Now let's see how to add or delete rows and columns. Right click in a cell above or below where you want to add a row. Select the Insert menu item. Select the Insert Rows Below menu item. A row has been added. You can try other options. Right click in a cell to the left or right of where you want to add a column. Select the Insert menu item. Select the Insert Columns to the right menu item. A column has been added. You can try other options. Now let's learn how to delete a row. Select the row that you want to delete by clicking to the left of the row. Right click. Select the Delete Rows menu item. The row has been deleted. Now let's learn how to delete a column. Select the column that you want to delete by clicking the column's top grid line or border. Right click. Select the Delete Columns menu item. The column has been deleted. Now let's learn how to delete a table. Select the entire table. Press Delete key to delete the table. The entire table has been deleted. This way you can work with tables. Now let's learn how to add page numbers to the documents. Insert clip art or picture. Let's learn how to add a clip art or picture to the document. Select the Insert tab. On the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click Clip Art. Click the Clip Art button. The Clip Art task pane opens. Select the Search for text box. Let us search for computer. Click the Go button. You will see the result. Now search for the picture you want. On clicking the image of your choice, the image gets added to the document. The image has been added to the document. Select the Include Office.com content checkbox if you want to search from the internet. Now let's insert a picture from a file. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture button. The Insert Picture window opens. Locate the picture that you want to insert. Select Pictures. Double-click the Sample Pictures folder. Double-click the picture to be inserted to the document. The picture has been inserted. To resize the picture, select it and then drag a sizing handle away from or toward the center to increase or decrease the size. You can drag the picture to place wherever you want. Now let's see how to keep a picture next to the text that goes with it or at a spot on the page. Under Picture Tools, on the Format tab in the Arrange group, click Position. You can see the different layouts by moving the mouse pointer to different options. Let's select the position in middle right with square text wrapping. Now let's learn how to keep a picture with a text box. Select the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Text box. Select the Draw Text Box menu item. Click where you want the text box. Let's add the name My Picture and place at the location of your choice. To keep both the text box and the picture together, we will group them. First, select the text box. Then, keeping the Shift key pressed, select the picture. Select the Format tab. Select Group option. Select the Group menu item. Now you can move the picture along with the text box. To change the way the picture appears along with the text, you have to select any one of the text wrapping option. Select the picture and then click Wrap Text in the Picture Format tab in the Arrange group. There are many options which you can preview and select the option of your choice. Select the Tight menu item. You can see how the picture has been placed along with the text. This way you can insert clip art or picture of your choice to the document. Further, let's learn how to insert a table in the document. Document themes and cover page. You can quickly and easily give your document a professional look by applying a document theme. A document theme is a set of formatting choices that include a set of theme colors, a set of theme fonts, and a set of theme effects. Let's learn how to apply document theme. Select the Page Layout tab. Click Themes in the Themes group. You will see different document themes. Click the document theme that you want to use. Select the Clarity item. The document theme has been applied to the document. To automatically download new themes from the internet, click Enable Content Updates from office.com. Now let's learn how to insert pre-designed cover page. Select the Insert tab. Select Pages. Click Cover Page. Click the cover page from the gallery of options. Select the Mod item. After you insert a cover page, you can replace the sample text with your own text by clicking to select an area of the cover page, such as the title, and typing your text. Select the title. Now let's see how to remove the cover page. Select Pages. Select Cover Page. Select Remove Current Cover Page menu item. The cover page has been removed. This way you can give a professional look to your document. Find and replace. Now let's learn how to find or replace the words. To find, replace words, text editing group is used from the Home tab. Select Editing. Let us find the word computer in the document. Select Find. Navigation pane opens. As you type the word computer, the result appears in highlighted color, as can be seen here. Close the navigation toolbar. Select Editing. Let us replace the word hardware with software. Click the Replace button. The Find and Replace window opens. Select the Find What text box and type the word hardware. Select the Replace with text box and type the word software. Let us replace all the words. Click the Replace All button. All the words have been replaced. You can see the confirmation. Click the OK button. Click the Close button. This way you can find the required words and also replace words. Now let's learn how to check for spelling and grammar mistakes in the document. Line spacing in Word 2010. Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. Paragraph spacing determines the amount of space above or below a paragraph. To change line spacing, paragraph group and change styles in style group are mostly used. The easiest way to change the line spacing for an entire document is to apply a quick style set that uses the spacing that you want. Use a style set to change line spacing for an entire document. Select Change Styles. Select the Style Set menu item. You can preview the various style sets by pointing the mouse pointer to the styles and select the name of the style set you like. select the word 2010 style for example. The word 2010 style has been applied. To change the line spacing in a portion of the document, select the paragraphs for which you want to change the line spacing. Select the paragraph. Select line and paragraph spacing. You can preview the line spacing as you move your mouse pointer to the available options. Select the option of your choice. For example, let's select line spacing 1.15. Select the 1.15 line spacing. The line spacing has been changed for the paragraph to 1.15. Now let's learn how to change paragraph spacing for an entire document. Select Change Styles. Select the paragraph spacing menu item. You can preview the various paragraph spacing option by pointing to the various options. Select the double paragraph spacing for example. Now let's learn to change the spacing before and after selected paragraph. Select the paragraph. Select the Page Layout tab. In the Page Layout tab, in the paragraph group, under Spacing, click the arrow next to Before or After and enter the amount of space that you want. We will use the arrow buttons to make the space 12 before the paragraph and 18 after the paragraph. Click the More button. Click the More button. Click the More button. Now let's see the different type of alignments for which we have to go back to the Home tab. Select the Home tab. Click the Align Left button. This is the left alignment. Now let's see center alignment. Click the Center button. This is the center alignment. Now let's see right alignment. Click the Align Right button. This is the right alignment. Now let's see the Justify option. Click the Justify button. This is the Justify option. Now let's learn how to add bullets and numbering before the selected text. Select Bullets. Bullet has been added. You can select different bullets by clicking the arrow in the Bullets button. Select Bullets. Here you see a variety of bullets. Select Numbering. Numbering has been applied. You can select different numbering styles by clicking the arrow in the Numbering button. Select Numbering. Here you can see a variety of numbering styles. Now let's learn how to insert a manual page break in the document. Select the Insert tab. Select Pages. Click the Page Break button. The page break has been created. Now that we have learned about line spacing, let's learn how to insert a picture or clip art in a document. Spelling and grammar check. Now let's learn how to check for spelling and grammar mistakes in a document. To check for spelling and grammar, you have to go to Review tab. The words and lines having mistakes are marked by waved color lines. Select the Review tab. This is the proofing group having the spelling and grammar checkbox. Click the Spelling and Grammar button. The Spelling and Grammar window opens. It shows you the mistake and gives you suggestions. If you think that the suggestion is right, then click Change, or you can click other available options. Click the Change button. Here you can see the mistake is in the spelling. If the spelling was right, you can click on Add to Dictionary so that next time such words are not shown as spelling mistake. Click the Change button. Click the Change button. You will see this dialog box when the spelling and grammar check is complete. Click the OK button. You will see that the waved color lines have gone once the mistakes are rectified. Now that your document is free of mistakes, let's learn how to insert page numbers or header and footer. Let's see how to see different types of reading views. Select the View tab. Click the Full Screen Reading button in the Document Views group. There are many options to move from page to page in a document. Clicking the arrows in the lower corners of the page. Click the arrow to go to the next page. Click this arrow to go to the previous page. You can also use this button. Click the Next Screen button. Click the Previous Screen button to go to the previous screen. Let's see some more viewing options. Select View Options. Select the Increase Text Size menu item to display the text in a larger size. Select the Decrease Text Size menu item to display more text on the screen. Select the Show 2 Pages menu item to view 2 pages at a time. Select the Show Printed Page menu item to display the page as it would appear when you print it. To close the full screen reading view, click the Close button. Click the Close button. After reviewing the document, let's see how to print the document. Print the document. Now let's see how to preview and print the documents. Click the File tab button. Select the Print tab. Print Preview automatically displays when you click on the Print tab. To view each page, click the arrows below the preview. Click the Print button to print the document. Click the Printer button to display all the available printers. Select the Printer Properties link to change the properties of your printer. You can print all or part of your document. Options for choosing what part of a document is printed can be found by clicking Print All Pages. Click the Print All Pages button. Choosing Print All Pages will print the entire document. Choosing Print Selection will only print the selected content. Choosing Print Current Page will only print the current page. Choose Print Custom Range to print a range of pages. Your cursor will move automatically to the Pages box. Enter the page numbers and/or page ranges separated by commas counting from start of the document. For example, type 1, 3 and 5 to 12. Choose only print odd pages to print all odd pages in the document. Choose only print even pages to print all even pages in the document. Click the Portrait Orientation button to change the page orientation. This is the Portrait Orientation button. This is the Landscape Orientation button. If you want to print multiple copies, choose the number of copies in the Copies box. Here you can choose the size of the page. There is a choice of standard page size, or you can set your custom size. Click this option to change the margins of your document. There is a choice of margins, or you can set your custom margins. This button gives you the option to print one or more pages on a single page. You can see a number of options for printing. Select the File tab to go back to the document. Now that you have learned Microsoft Word 2010,